Botswana. I came here on the 21st. I've been in Wockhardt Hospital for 15 days. I came here to do the fat grafting on my leg. I had an accident before, and then the doctors did some skin grafting, which wasn't looking very nice. So I took a decision to do some fat injection or fat grafting. It's looking very nice. I'm looking forward to actually now exposing my leg after the procedure. I'm very excited. The experience here was overwhelming. It's very nice. The nurses are professionals. The doctor is superb. I'm actually very happy. If there's anybody who wants to come and do the fat grafting, please don't hesitate to come to Wockhardt Hospital and consult with Dr. Shraddha. She is very professional. She knows what she's doing. She's very experienced. Thank you very much. Please don't look back. Think once and come to Wockhardt Hospital.